Hey everyone, Andrew here with Wiseline Tools to introduce the new Metabo HPT 1.5-inch narrow crown stapler and the 2-inch brad nailer. These tools offer Metabo's new low-maintenance mechanical spring drive system, which eliminates the need for gas, hoses, and compressors. Coming in at under 5 pounds each, these tools are capable of driving up to 700 fasteners per charge on a 2 amp hour battery, offer dry fire lockout, and toolless depth adjustment. Lightweight, accurate, and powerful. Whether you're fastening crown molding or doing cabinetry work, they will get the job done with minimal effort. Get your hands on the new narrow crown stapler and brad nailer in store or at wiselinetools.ca. Have a good one.